is the application like right inside this one here. You'll see that is actually the application is now asking us to place finger on ZKTeco 4500 fingerprint. So I'm going to present my left index finger. So what happens? So fingerprint capture is successful. Capturing finger 1 done. The other thing that we need to do, let us now minimize. Okay, remember this third option in the menu for exit. Now we are back to, remember the one where you can see, and then this you can see. Then in step 8 is where one and fingerprint chameleon. We'll explain that later why I'm doing that. First one where we pass, the second one where we pass chameleon. Later on, we will subtract it when we are trying the biometric identification by calling the DB first. So if there is a match, so we call this function here terminate. We call terminate because